This video I will show you how to post on Quora app. Just follow and watch this video till the end. Open Quora, and right now you should go and click here on this plus icon. Here, and then come here to create post and write what you want to write. For example, hello. And if you want to add some images, and if you want to add text or change the text size or everything, and then click post. And that's all, guys. I hope this video was useful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in another video.